Which submersible sewage pump is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get to the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can tackle your sewage needs.
Product number 1, Tenzola Submersible Pump. First up is the Tenzola Sump Pump. Priced at $57.99, this portable electric water removal pump immediately caught my attention with its efficient 1/3 HP motor. If you want reliable water management without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This pump can drain up to 2,400 gallons per hour and lift water up to 30 feet high. That's pretty impressive for a utility pump. The side inlet design helps it avoid sucking up debris, which can be a huge issue with other pumps. And the fact that it operates until the water level drops below 1/5 inch means you're not left with a mess. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're dealing with flooded basements or just need to drain your pool, the Tenzola has you covered, and it's built to last with its durable thermoplastic material. Now, some people complained about its plastic casing feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it might not be as heavy duty as metal pumps, it's designed for lighter tasks and offers great value for the price. If you just need something for home use, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner looking for an affordable pump option for occasional use. Skip this one if you require something for heavy-duty, constant use. But for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you found the Tenzola's plastic design concerning, the next product takes a completely different approach with its heavy-duty build. Product number 2, Zoller Wastemate 267. Next is the Zoller Wastemate 267, a more robust option at $462.25. This heavy-duty submersible sewage pump really stands out thanks to its cast iron construction. If you need something that can handle tough jobs, this is definitely worth a serious look. With a 1/2 horsepower motor, it can pass 2-inch spherical solids, making it ideal for both residential and commercial use. It's designed with a float-operated switch that ensures automatic operation, and the non-clogging vortex impeller means less chance of issues down the line. Plus, it's totally submersible, watertight, and dust-tight, so you know it's built to last. Here's why this matters for you. If you have heavy waste drainage needs or a sewage basin that often clogs, this pump will be your best friend. Now, some users have mentioned that it could be a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you. If you're installing this in a residential area, the sound might be an annoyance. However, for its power and reliability, many feel it's worth that trade-off. This is perfect for you if you run a commercial property or need a pump for extensive residential use. Skip this one if you're looking for something quiet and light for minimal tasks. It's an investment, but it's a solid one. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want high flow rates without the hefty price tag.
Product number 3, Shangda Sump Pump. The Shangda Sump Pump comes in next at a very budget-friendly $69.49. If you want an efficient draining solution that doesn't skimp on power, this might be just what you need. This pump features a 1.5 horsepower motor capable of moving up to 4,500 gallons per hour. It can lift water up to 35 feet, making it a great option for deep basements or draining large pools. Plus, it removes water down to just 2 inches of surface, which is a game changer for cleanup tasks. The built-in thermal overload protector is also a nice touch, ensuring safety during operation. Here's why this matters for you. Whether it's for cleaning up after a storm or managing a flooded yard, this pump can help you tackle those tasks quicker. However, one downside is that it's not as heavy-duty as some of its competitors. Some users found it a bit less reliable under continuous heavy use, but if your needs are occasional, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable pump for general use around the house. Skip this one if you need a pump for constant heavy-duty work. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle even tougher tasks, the next pump might just fit the bill.
Product number 4, AidPath 1HP Submersible Sewage Grinder Pump, priced at $279.88. This pump is designed to tackle more challenging waste removal tasks, so if that's what you're after, it's worth a serious look. What makes this pump stand out is its dual-stage grinding capability. It shreds tough waste into fine slurry, which helps prevent clogs, a common headache for many users. With a powerful 1 HP motor, it can handle high lifts of up to 52.5 feet and flow rates of 6,076 gallons per hour. This is especially important if you have a deep sewage basin or need to move waste across long distances. Here's why this matters for you. If you're dealing with septic systems or basements that need serious pumping, this one works hard for you. Now, some reviews point out that it can be a bit overkill for smaller jobs. Here's the thing though. While it might be more than what you need for light tasks, if you want reliability and longevity, it's a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable solution for demanding waste removal. Skip this one if you're only looking for a pump for occasional small chores. It gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Finally, we have one last option that matches heavy-duty demands with impressive features.
Product number 5, AidPath 1 HP Sewage Pump. Last but not least is another offering from AidPath, the 1 HP Sewage Pump, retailing at $215.88. If you want a balance between performance and price, this could be the one for you. This pump boasts an impressive 8,870 GPH capacity at 5 feet, which is excellent for most residential and light commercial needs. It features a clog-cutting impeller designed to minimize blockages, and it's built with a corrosion-resistant stainless steel body, making it a durable option for long-term use. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty, which is a huge peace of mind. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something reliable that can handle a variety of tasks, this pump is ready for action. However, some users reported that it requires a specific basin size for optimal operation. If your setup isn't suitable, it might not perform as well. But if you have the right conditions, it's a solid performer. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile pump that offers great performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you don't have the proper basin or need something for very light tasks. For the features it offers, it's a great deal.
To wrap things up, we've covered 5 great submersible sewage pumps. From the budget-friendly Tenzola to the heavy-duty Zoller waste paint, and the efficient Shenga to the powerful AidPath grinder options, there's something here for everyone. Consider your specific needs, and you'll find the right pump that fits your situation perfectly.